Okay, I'm here at the barn. Just got done bringing that cable down, and it's windy out, and it's 32 degrees out and sunny right now. I think it's supposed to be sunny most of the day, but in the afternoon the temperature is going to start dropping pretty significantly. I can't. My mouth froze. I can't talk. But anyway, you know what I mean. And so I got to get ready to go over to the neighbors and cut firewood. And here's what I got to do first. I got to unload the mule. I went out yesterday and I got gas. I got 25 gallons of gas. My gas cans were empty, so I had to go out and fill them up. And so now I got to load them and get ready to go outside. So I'll be back with you in a moment. Hang in there. All right. I made an executive decision here, and I'm not going to video me over there cutting. I just don't have time. I have to get as much wood in as possible. I apologize for that, but I got to keep warm. Got to keep my family warm. So, and it's only going to get worse as the day goes on. So I can't spend time on the camera. So maybe I'll bring you along when I offload some, and can do that. And but over there, I'm just going to cut and load and get as many loads out as I can. So stay tuned, and I'll be back and keep you abreast of what's going on. Catch you later. Okay, everyone, this is my first load for the day, and I'd be over there cutting right now, but I had to come over, so I got a full load, and looks like I'm missing something. Well, anyway, I dulled my chain. I hit some frozen dirt, and it just dulled my chain, so I got to put another chain on. So I'll bring you along for offloading this. Alright, that's the first load, and it's looking better for the heavy stuff. That's what I'm going to need mostly, because I don't want to have to come out here every 10 minutes to put wood in. And if I use this stuff, that's what I'll be doing. Every 10 minutes I'll be coming out and loading it up again. So this stuff burns for hours. So it's going to do it for now. I got to go in and sharpen up a blade, a chain, and get back over. So I'll be back, so hang in there. Okay, this is going to be my third load and my last one for the day. And you can see, looking pretty good right now, but it won't last long with temperatures going into single digits. So anyway, I'll bring you along with offloading this. Alright, that's going to do it for this one. And I might add to it tomorrow, but today I'm done. I'm hungry, I'm tired, and you know, I don't want to push it. Tomorrow's another day. Now it's going to be a cold one tomorrow, but hey, it's the way it is. It's winter time. So anyway, this is what we're looking at right now. Looks pretty nice right now. But like I said, after the night, probably a third of that will be gone. And I'll have to go out and get more. So at least I'm ahead. And one more day to go before the big storm hits. So we'll probably see you tomorrow on this video. So everybody have a good one. Catch you later.